If you're a real estate professional in need of bookkeeping services, Meru Accounting is here to help. Real estate is one of the most resilient industries in the world. No matter what the market does, there is almost always a chance to make money. However, to capitalize on those opportunities, flippers, brokers, agents, and construction companies need to focus on their specific roles, not on bookkeeping. That's where Meru Accounting comes in. We are a remote bookkeeping and accounting firm dedicated to helping real estate companies all over the world. We've provided affordable, professional services to more than 700 clients for nearly a decade. From simple bookkeeping services to payroll management and profitability analysis, we do it all, and we do it right. Outsourcing has become a vital component of modern business growth. In order to scale, companies need to minimize the time they spend doing mundane or back-end tasks. Unfortunately, hiring an in-house or local accounting firm can get very expensive very quickly. Meru Accounting is the perfect solution. We are accounting professionals offering real estate bookkeeping services, receivables management, accounting software setup, cloud add-ons, tax returns, payroll management, HUD statement accounting, migration services, and more. We're also an elite partner with QuickBooks and a gold champion partner with Xero. However, this hardly scratches the surface of our software expertise, which also includes NetSuite, Wave, and Odoo. No matter your project, position, or budget, our technology-inspired solutions can help streamline your accounting while maintaining maximum accuracy. And due to the economic differences between us and our clients' nations, we can offer extremely competitive pricing. Imagine having access to a team of award-winning bookkeepers whose sole goal is to help you and your team reclaim your workdays and maximize your efforts. Now imagine that came with minimum overhead costs, 24x management, as well as fraud prevention and quality assurance services. This is the reality that hundreds of Meru Accounting clients enjoy every day. Our world-class infrastructure provides you with all the resources you need to stay on top of your financials. We also employ high-level security and encryption technology to protect your and your clients' information. Most importantly, we pride ourselves on being a trustworthy team with a passion for excellence, a fact that is made very clear by our stellar customer reviews. Your real estate bookkeeping solution is waiting at Meru Accounting. Schedule a meeting with one of our team members today.